Hey guys, welcome back to another speaking practice video with me. Can you recognize bias in news? Today we're going to talk about it. Please use this video as explained in the instruction box. Also, you can find a PDF to this practice on my Telegram channel. The link to the channel is in the description. Let's go. Hello and welcome. Today's topic is recognizing bias in news. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Every day we read news articles, watch videos, or hear reports on the radio. News is an important way to learn what is happening in the world. But not all news is completely fair or neutral. Sometimes it contains bias. Bias means showing an unfair preference for one side over another. In news, bias can affect how a story is told, which facts are included, or what opinions are shared. Recognizing bias helps us understand news more clearly and think for ourselves. There are many ways bias can appear in the media. Sometimes it's in the language. Words like heroic, evil, disaster, or brilliant can show strong emotion or judgment. These words can make us feel a certain way about a person or event. Other times, bias is in what is left out. A news story may focus only on one side of the problem and ignore the other. For example, it might report a protest but not explain why people are protesting. Or it may show only certain images that support one view. Headline bias is also common. Some headlines sound exciting or shocking to get more clicks. They may not match the full story or may twist the facts to get attention. This is sometimes called clickbait. Another form is source bias. News from one country, company, or political group may only show its own opinion. For example, a news site that supports one political party may always show that party in a positive way and the other in a negative way. So, how can we recognize bias? First, pay attention to the language. Is it emotional or neutral? Does it use facts or opinions? Second, ask yourself, what's missing? Are different sides of the story included? Are there quotes from more than one source? Third, check the source. Who owns or funds the news outlet? Do they have a clear political or business interest? Also, compare the story with other reports on the same topic. If several trusted sources say the same thing, it is more likely to be accurate. If one source says something very different, you should check more carefully. Why does this matter? Because biased news can affect how people think, vote, or treat others. It can create fear, anger, or division. In some cases, it can even spread misinformation or fake news. In conclusion, recognizing bias in news helps us become smarter readers and listeners. It protects us from being misled and teaches us to think critically. Not all news is perfect, but we can learn to spot the problems. Stay curious, ask questions, and always check the facts. The more we understand the news, the better we understand the world. Thank you guys and well done. Good job practicing with me. As always, we have the collocations at the end. You can download this PDF to this practice on my Telegram channel. The link to the channel is in the description box. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.